Well, hello there. I'm Yuri from JorDinner, and welcome to a new episode. It's getting colder outside, so you need to warm yourself. And what's the best way to warm yourself? Probably a nice shower, but also a nice chili oil. That's what we're gonna do today. So, let's start. The ingredients we're gonna use are red peppers, chili flakes, dried red peppers, garlic, and oil. First thing we're gonna do is cut our red peppers into big chunks. You don't want to cut the peppers too small because otherwise it will turn into a mush. Crush your garlic so the flavor can penetrate into the oil. Heat up a little bit of oil into a pan. Check if it's hot, and if it's hot, put in the peppers and garlic. Cook this until the peppers are soft. When they're soft, add your remaining oil and cook for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain everything and let it cool. After it's cooled, grab a bottle and put in the dried peppers and chili flakes and your cool down oil. And that's it. I hope you liked the recipe, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. And if you want more recipes, go subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking, and I'll see you next time with your dinner.